Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will continue on developing this Energy Hero game, and I'm trying to open up the Unity as you can see right now. And since I saved this game in the last time in an uncompiled way, it just enters into the safe mode, which refers as if one or more of your scripts has a problem, has completion errors. It just enters this safe mode. So I will continue to solve this issue. And today I also have only 40 minutes. I do not have too much time. That's why today will be a fast session for removing these finite state machines, and let's go and see where I left off while removing these finite state machines. Actually, as I remember, I managed to remove some of the finite state machines, and the behavior trees are left right now. That's why I will focus on removing these behavior trees instead of finite state machines. And the completion error should be around here. Yes. Do after digest button called. Let's solve this and yield turn null and save it, and the completion error should be gone right now. Then I will continue on removing these behavior trees, removing the behavior tree, and then I will continue on removing the other behavior trees. So where we left off is that I change weapon script. Let's find this change weapon script. Here we are, and this is the thing I wanted to remove. So when the trigger digest button is called, this method is called. This method just starts a coroutine of this, and move camera closer to this. I already added this section, and yield new wait for seconds. I do not recall how wait for seconds. How did we call the wait current project? Yield return new wait for seconds, half seconds, then continue with digest method, then another 1.5 seconds, then move camera back to start position, start, then yield return point 4 seconds, and finally digest button called will be false. Change weapon. This one should do the trick. Actually, as I remember, I used this script in the chapter 2 section. So let's just remove this behavior tree, new component, and tries to enter the chapter 2 section. Say manager. Next, please. Okay, movement is still an issue. I will deal with this movement issue. Yes, yellow. Yes, green, red, digest, and yes, it looks like this behavior tree, this section is working. So let's continue over the only the GUI blackboards are left. So let's start with the chapter 1 GUI blackboard. First thing I wanted to do is to detect the blackboard and generate these errors. Yes, comment out this thing. Then chapter welcome, I will need an enum. It looks like I will need an enum in order to remove this blackboard, and let's find a reference for this enum. That's you. Here let's add the enum for this chapter 1 GUI behavior tree. GUI states, and What is this enum? Consists of chapter welcome, tutorial is player active. Chapter welcome, tutorial is player active. Carbs collected, fat collected, fat collected, protein collected. Is mouth hungry? Chapter and positive and chapter and negative. And chapter and negative. These are the states. And let's add void change GUI states here. Also, just copy and paste this thing in here, and let's rename it change GUI state. This will be your GUI state. This will be the GUI state. Current camera state. What is this? Camera state, current camera state. GUI state will be this GUI state and change GUI state. And let's add other cases for this GUI state. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 8. I need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's rename this as GUI state. And GUI in this state. So what happens when this state is in chapter welcome? When it's in chapter welcome, it says disable repeat and load tutorial text. Disable repeat and load tutorial text. Then disable repeat and load tutorial welcome. Tutorial welcome. Then check if mouth needs something in every let's continue to the next one. Do after collectible grabbed. Carbs collected, yes. So after collectible grabbed, chapter 1 carb text. Okay, this also has a wait section. So just go over here, chapter and positive, disable repeat to chapter and positive, disable repeat to chapter and positive, to chapter and negative, chapter and negative. And what else is needed? Let's create a do mouth hungry IE numerator, do IE numerator, do mouth hungry IE numerator over here, do mouth hungry yield return new wait 4 seconds. How many seconds? 4 seconds. Then disable tutorial text, disable, then do this and run this when the mouth is hungry. Mouth is on carbs collected, start coroutine, do this when mouth is hungry. Also, I will need another IE numerator for protein collected section. IE numerator, do when protein collected, do after collectible grabbed, do after collectible grabbed with chapter 1 protein text. Then yield return new wait 4 seconds, then disable tutorial text. Okay, this is already also done. Protein collected, let's edit in here, start coroutine, this thing, IE numerator, do one, but fat collected, and fat collected. It's just basically the same with chapter 1 fat text. And another one here for this carbs collected. Here this is the carb text, and only is player active is left in this switch case. Let's i.e. generate an enumerator reference for is player active coroutine. And let's go over where are you is player active in here. If is null, then start coroutine is player active coroutine and player active coroutine equals player active coroutine and enumerator player active coroutine. Check if mouth needs something. We need to wait for seconds. Just wait for half a second. Then. Okay. If current state equals state is player active, start coroutine. This set this enumerator. Okay, coroutine. But then this player active else yield return break. Yield break. Just set this to null and yield break. What this coroutine does is that it when I trigger when the state enters into is player active, this coroutine is started by this start coroutine and is player active coroutine is assigned with this coroutine. But is it really needed? Is this really needed? Okay, if player active coroutine is null, then it will start this coroutine. And when we get into this coroutine, it runs this method. After that, it waits for half a second. Then if it checks for this quiz state, and if it is still in is player active, it runs another coroutine, the same coroutine again. Else, it just set the coroutine to null, then break these coroutines. So let's see that if this is working or not. Debug.log player active coroutine is called. Let's just also this guy has which text number. I needed to change this assignment. Current which text number. So if the first input is pressed, let's just comment out this thing, comment out this guy and change quiz state to quiz state dot is player active. Change the state to here and let's change this state to protein collected also in here. Change quiz state to is player active in here, and when we came here, change quiz state to pet collected. Change quiz state to carbs collected. Then goes to here. Change quiz state to negative. Change quiz state to is mouth hungry. Then let's rewrite these lines as 0 and change quiz state to tutorial. Also when we get over here, just comment out this thing. If chapter welcome current state equals welcome, then return. Otherwise, which text number equals current value plus 1. And that's all, I guess, for this chapter 1 GUI section. And let's see how many errors will we get when we remove this blackboard and this chapter 1 is blackboard and this behavior 3. New game. Okay, not the result. Next button is not working. Let's look at this next button. Okay, something is missing. Next button. Is there any reference Set active, retry button, chapter and positive. Yes, this is the next button. Current documents. Let's find me active. Who after? What is this section? To chapter and negative. No. Yes. Increase his text number by 1. Okay, the first thing, the first condition of this, let's set it in debug mode, and current GUI state is in chapter welcome. Okay, how about now? Session error. They will repeat. Yes, this should not exist anymore because I do not have any behavior tree owner anymore. No disable repeat, no disable repeat, no disable repeat please, no disable repeat please, behavior tree owner. Okay, let's try again. Disable repeat. Okay, something is missing. Something seems wrong right now. Chapter state machine is not resolved. So let's just retry. Okay, nothing gets loaded up. This is weird. When I press the next, just can you try now, and pressing next button does nothing. How about my chapter 1 is in welcome. Chapter 1 is in tutorial. Let's find this next button assignment. What is broken there? Or just find this void start, and okay, when I press start it breaks down. New game, make your character move. All you need is slide your finger, but this text should appear. Okay, the first one should be the tutorial. By the way, I have run out of time, but let's just try this simple fix to see if it has any effects. Okay, next. Yes, the state or the enum order has a problem. Brave hero, are you ready for chance? Then next. Tomorrow morning I will need to continue from here. When I press next, it should change. It should also change the section to chapter welcome, and it should be around here. Check if mode means something. Do chapter end after try to chapter end section, and in here, if text number is equals to 11, change the GUI state not to tutorial but to chapter welcome. If chapter welcome is called, where are you? Okay, this should be in this looks like they are in the wrong order, but let's just stop right here and find my to-do list and say that needed to play test in chapter 1 after GUI state machine removal. Okay, let's save it over here, and let's save the scene over here, and that's all for today. And tomorrow early in the morning, I will continue on removing this behavior trees and function state machines, and hopefully tomorrow morning I will manage to remove these other three behavior trees also, and remove the package altogether from this project. After that, I may continue on polishing this package, and hopefully before the end of the next week I will manage to publish it. I will manage to send it for an review. And that's all for today, and thanks for watching till now, and thank you. Bye.